Hi, good morning. How are you today? I have something for you. Here, I get you some. I get you this one for you. So, for the meantime, you stay here, okay? We're gonna bring you back there because he brought you here to our house. But we're friends, okay? You know what, guys? I don't know this bird. I mean, uh, is this a woodpecker or, he's too strong. I didn't do anything to him, but look, eh, we're friends, okay? Okay, you see? I'm not doing anything. I just want to touch his feather. Still a baby. I gave him food, but this one, because I don't know what food he's going to eat. He's already at the house since, what's day today? Since Tuesday. But we have time to bring him back there at the forest. We just saw him at the street, walking in the street, so I think he cannot fly, so we took him home. Okay, baby? Stay here for a while, okay?